Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the crypto world in 2025, transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDC from Bitmart to Kraken. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates. Whether you're moving funds for trading or security reasons, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitmart and Kraken, and that your USDC is available in your Bitmart wallet. Start by logging into your Bitmart account using a secure device. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. This is where you'll find your USDC balance. Next, locate the Withdraw option, usually found by clicking on your USDC asset. You'll need to select USDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, enter your Kraken wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, specify the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees or minimum limits, which might have changed by 2025, so glance at Bitmart's updated fee schedule. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication steps for added security. Now, switch over to your Kraken account. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the USDC to appear, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. Remember, always withdraw to a wallet you control and keep an eye on transaction statuses to stay safe. That's it for this quick guide. Withdrawing USDC from Bitmart to Kraken doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.